So today is 1st of July 2019. Nothing special about today. It's Sing Ping's birthday. We just celebrated birthday. Yeah. I guess it's today. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm not sure even if she'll be watching this video. She's my 300 subscriber though. But then, anyway, so yeah, there's gonna be big changes to this channel soon. Not sure how to put this. From the title, it might be kind of misleading. But then I guess this is a challenge that I wanted to set for myself to be more. Is it okay? Okay, cool. I want to set myself like a challenge. Hold on, I have to buy some fruits. Hold on. Some fruits. My baby! Okay. So learning to be different is actually quite easy. It's easy and hard at the same time because you're not that sure. Like I think it all depends on what do you mean when it comes to being different. Like it can be doing the same thing in a different pattern, in a different way, or it can be doing something that's out of the ordinary. They've never done it before, so you just go and give it a try without knowing what's gonna happen. So yeah, I guess for my definition, for my meaning, it will be the second one where I will be trying something very different, out of the norm. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but then I'm very excited to try it out, to test it out, because well, it's been inside of my head for a long time. It's like it always happens for me. I always have like a lot of ideas in my head that I really just want to get it out. Just really want to do it and then see it. And I just enjoy how it felt. So I guess that's what gets me motivated when it comes to creating something different, doing something new, learning to be different. You know, just doing different stuff. That's what keeps me going when it comes to making videos, or when it comes to doing some stuff in life, basically everything. So I'm always down when it comes to different ideas, different stuff. Yeah, because well, in this life there's always things happening, and you can't really find time to catch up with life, you know. If you know what I mean. So I mean, I'm trying my best to learn how to be different. I'm finding ways on how to be different, but then it just takes time. Definitely takes time. I can say I'm not sure when will I fully become the person who I wanted to be. I think I will only know when I get there. So yeah, there's no harm in doing different things all the time. There's no harm trying different things all the time. You just have to enjoy the process. Learn. I was about to say learn, make, repeat. But I'm just gonna stick with my code. Just keep on and don't stop creating. Wait, hold on. Don't stop and keep on creating. Yeah, I think that's one of my thought process when it comes to creating that code. So just keep on and don't stop creating. Even though you're doing something different or doing something the same way. So okay, I guess I will just leave it there, and then I'm going to do something cool, and then hopefully I can do it. It's no biggie, but then yeah, it's just something close to my heart. And then hopefully I will be able to share it with you guys, like in the future or next week after this video is posted. So yeah, okay, this is not the safest way to vlog. Okay, well, I always say that, but then I keep doing it all the time. Okay, see you guys.